Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a page break into one of your documents on the Google Docs application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Now tap on the document that you want to customize or edit. Now you should click on the pencil button down below in the right corner. Then click on this plus icon at the top of the screen. Scroll down till you find this page break option. Click on it. As you can see, you have created a division here in your page, but if you scroll down and tap on the relevant part where you would like to add a page break so that it can function as a division between or in your document, just simply repeat the step, and as you can see, you are able to see this page break. If we tap on the print layout function, we will see how it would look like if we would print it out. So these are the page breaks, as you can see. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.